So tonight we're painting this little painting here, and we're just going to start. It's not even going to be taped down. We're just going to have a bit of a play, do some colours, lay them in, lift out some lights, and we just go where it takes us a little bit. So let's do that. If you want some more help with your watercolours, you can join me on Patreon. The link's up here, and let's get started. So I just want to say sorry for missing last week's video. Really bad. I had a lot of things going on, and I just couldn't. I was just exhausted, so I just couldn't. So I'm very sorry for missing a video last week. I don't know when I last did that, maybe 18 months ago. So I'm back into the swing of things now. Thanks very much for your support, and let's get painting. Right. But you know what is lovely is to just be back in the studio. I'm telling you, it's just good for me, good for my heart, soul, just good for my mental health. All of that is just so lovely to be in the studio. Sometimes I play music, obviously not while I'm recording, and it's just really nice to put paint to paper and just be in the moment a bit. Everything else disappears. It's a beautiful thing. So that's why it's great that you guys are into watercolour, because it's a great thing to do for the rest of your life. Do till you're 90, 100, maybe even longer. All right. Thanks guys, let's get painting. So tonight I thought I'd just do a bit of playing with a very small piece of watercolour paper on a pad, not stretched or anything like that. We'll just do a little bit of painting on this. It'll be nice and fun and simple. So just use my 2-inch Hake brush to just wet the page. I might just bring in a bit of this. This is a very interesting green. Just adding a bit of colour, Alizarin Crimson, mix of Cobalt Blue, light red. Just rinse the brush out, take all the water out and just So I'm just playing really, just playing with what could be water and reflections, and then some darker values. Let's just dry this. So sometimes it's just quite nice to just play and not be too attached to the outcome. Nice, we'll just give a spray. Lift out a few lights. Anyway, I could keep playing for a long time with this, but I just think it's a nice little exercise to just lay in some colour and just start playing with some things, you know, lift out some lights, scratch some lights, scratch out some lights with a razor blade, lift out lights with a tissue and wet spray out to lift out some lights, do some bit of fine brush work with the rigger brush, and you can just get some beautiful little crisp bits in amongst all this beautiful softness. So thanks for joining me tonight. I'm really sorry that I haven't really been doing many videos. I've been sort of using some older videos recently, and I missed last week for the first time in ages, so I apologise for that. I've had a lot of things going on in life here in Sydney in terms of water and other things, so thanks very much for your support, and I am back into it now a bit, and I'll be back into it properly next week. So stay tuned for next week. I'm going to do a shout out to someone's channel. It's really awesome, so wait for that next week. So thanks guys, I'll talk to you soon. See ya, good night and happy painting everyone. Thanks for your support. See ya, bye.